Hello from Circle. Today we will gonna code Knight Rider in the Nucleo board. We will use Mbed with coding. Let's start. Let's create a new program. Here is our board, Nucleo F411RE. We will select empty program and let's write here Knight Rider. Okay. After the creating folder, let's import the library. We will import Mbed. So search Mbed. Let's click Mbed twice and our library is successfully added. Let's start with creating a file. We will name it as a Knight Rider CPP. Here is our text. Here is our program. We will start with including our Mbed library. I'm sorry, not as. We will use bus out for determine LEDs. First LED going to PC 8 port. Let's create an integer. We will determine time with this integer. We will set this as 100 millisecond, and let's create the main loop like this. We will create a while loop. It is the simple constructions to code in the Mbed. We will create a for loop. Create a I as an integer and set it as a 0. I will be increase when is equal 7, like this. Set our LEDs as on orderly and wait as a millisecond or ms that we determined here, and set the LEDs off like this. Now we will copy that and paste it, change it as a 7 and change it as a 0, and our I will be downgraded. We are done. We will compile our code and upload our codes to the board. You need one Nucleo board, Knight Rider circuit kit, cables and breadboard. Let's connect them each other. After the connections, let's get power to our circuit. It looks great. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy a Knight Rider kit, you can visit circleelectronic.com.